Samantha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making my niece a little tank top here, and I'm going to show you the process on how I do it. This includes showing you how I find images and what products and machines I use. Keep in mind, even if you don't have the same equipment I do, there are different methods to how to make your own t-shirt. If you know me from TikTok, then you know that I've got my own Poppin' Time series called It's Poppin' Time, and I've made a logo for it. But if you don't know me from TikTok, then let me show you what it looks like. Here's my logo, and I did press it onto my shirt myself. I'm going to start with showing you guys how I find pictures and how I get them ready for cutting. Let's get started. The software we're going to be using is Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to first show you how to upload an image. A website that I like to use is Pixabay. They are royalty-free images, meaning you don't have to credit the creator, and you can edit it as much as you'd like. I went ahead and searched for silhouette under illustrations, since silhouettes are the easiest thing to cut on a Cricut machine. And we're going to go ahead and pick this butterfly. And all downloads are free. Now that we've got our image downloaded, we're going to go ahead and upload image, and we're going to browse for it. Now when you get here, it's going to ask whether you want a simple, moderately complex, or complex design. We're going to go ahead and go with complex since we've got a lot of rounded edges. And continue. This screen shows you a preview of what your cut will look like. We're going to go ahead and save that. And there you go, it's ready for use. Now all we need to do is insert image, and voila! While the butterfly looks cute, we are making a Poppin' Time shirt, so we're going to go ahead and upload both these images. Now I've gone ahead and uploaded the Poppin' Time logo that I'm going to be doing. This is in two separate files because we want the letters to cut out separate from the pops. We're going to go ahead and size this to the appropriate size. I've already measured my niece's shirt and it is 6 inches across, so the most that we want this length is 6 inches. Now to get our machine ready. The machine we're going to be using to cut our image is the Cricut Explore Air 2. For our design, we're going to be using Cricut Infusible ink. And I thought this sheet looked pretty cool, so I thought we'd try the design on this. Back on our computer, since we have two different layers, I want to go ahead and cut out the wording first. So I'm going to go ahead and disable the pops. Then we're going to press Make It. Don't forget to mirror your image if needed. Here's where you can select the material. We're using Infusible ink transfer sheets, so all of the pressure will be on already. And it does remind you whether or not you've mirrored your image. And when you see the Cricut button flashing, you go ahead and press it, and let it begin. And we're done. We're going to go ahead and remove our sheet now from our machine. And we're finished. Now we're going to go ahead and do our pops. So we're going to bring back the pop image, remove the wording, and press Make It again. Follow along the same steps. Now this time I'm going to use the opposite end of our sheet. Press our Cricut symbol, and watch it go. We're going to go ahead and set our Cricut machine aside. Now we've got two different cuts on our sheet here. Let's remove it off the mat. Using my scissors here, I'm going to go ahead and cut around the image. Starting with the wording, we're going to go ahead and remove anything we don't need. I do have to be careful on the bottom here since it does have that Samantha and it is very small. Here's our wording. That Samantha was a little too small, so I went ahead and took it out. Now to do the same to our pops. And there you have it. Here's our wording and here's our pops. Now let's get to pressing. The machine we'll be using to press our shirt is the Cricut Press 2, and I've already set it to the correct settings, 385 and 40 seconds. The green light means it's ready. Now we take our first layer, which is the It's Poppin' Time wording, and center it wherever we'd like it best. All infusible inks comes with this wax paper, so we're gonna go ahead and put that on top. Now we grab our press, center it on top of the shirt, press down and hold, and press the green button to start. When our time is up, go ahead and remove or lift our press. We're gonna let it dry here for a few seconds. Once it's cooled down, we can go ahead and lift. Make sure to lift slowly. Perfect. Now we can add on our pops layer. Wax sheet goes back on top. Our machine should already be ready, so we can go ahead and pick it up and repeat. I think it looks super cute. Be sure to keep an eye out on my Instagram and TikTok where I'll be showing you what it looks like later on. I hope you guys had fun today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!